Hey guys, this is Miss Bell again. Today we're going to be talking about rounding on a number line. So hopefully by the end of this video today, we'll be able to round to the nearest tens. Last week we learned about place value. Place value is going to be important when it comes to rounding a number. So we're going to start with the number 38. Before I get started, I need to make sure that I know how to count by tens. We call that multiples of a number. So we're going to start with multiples of 10. So I'm going to count by tens real quick. I'm not going to do very many, but I'm going to do a few just so you know what I'm talking about. So if I have multiples of 10, it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So I feel like you get the gist. We could spend all day counting by multiples of 10. So first, I need to find the tens the number is between and place them on the number line. So if I'm looking at the number 38, I have three tens. I know three tens is equal to 30. So I'm going to put that on this side. That would be one of my multiples of 10. My next multiple of 10 would be 40. So if I'm counting by tens, the next one would be 40. So that's going to be step 1. Step 2 says type the number that is exactly halfway between these two multiples of 10. So I know half of 10 is 5. So halfway between is going to be 35. I can also count up by ones to get here to see how many that is. So that would be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, step 3 says put the number on the number line. So I have 38 right here. So here's 35. I need to count up by 1. So this is 36, 37, 38. So I'm going to put this on my number line, just like that. Number 4 says determine which 10 the number is closer to. So if I have 38 right here, I can see that this number is closest to 40. So this number is going to round to 40 because it's closest to 40. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at this one. It says round 97 to the nearest 10. So remember, first I'm going to think of multiples of 10. So I know this number has 9 tens, so that's 90. If I'm counting by tens, what comes after 90? 100. That's right. So number 1 says find the tens number that this number 97 is in between. So I know this has 9 tens, so that's going to be 90 on this side of my number line. And then my next 10 is 100. Good. Okay, so then it says number 2, type the number that is exactly halfway between these two multiples. So I know that half of 10 is 5. So in between would be 95. And then put the number on the number line. So I know if this is 95, then I can go over 96, 97. So I can put this right here. And then number 4 says determine which 10 the number is closer to. So is the number, I would ask myself, is the number closer to 90 or is it closer to 100? Well, 97 is closer to 100, so 97 rounds to 100. Good job. Let's look at a bigger number. Let's look at 254. So we're also going to be rounding to the nearest 10 on this one. So I'm going to ask myself if I'm counting by the tens. When I look at a number this size, I look at my first two digits. So I know that in this number 254 there's 25 tens, which is the same thing as 250. So I'm going to first find the tens that this number is in between. So I know, like I said, there's 25 tens. So on this side, we would have 250. So if I'm counting my tens, I would have 250. The next 10 would be 260. Then there would be 270, 280. I'm not going to put these on here, but I just wanted you to remember that we're counting by tens. So I have 25 tens here, so that gives me 250. Over here, the next 10 would be 260. Number 2 says type the number that this is exactly halfway between. So I know half of 10 is 5, so I'm going to put 255 as halfway. Then we're going to put the number on the number line. So the number is 254. I know this is 255, so I'm going to go back. The number before 255 is 254. Then I'm going to determine which 10 the number is closest to. So is it closer to 250 or is it closer to 260? Well, I can see right here that it's less than 255, so it's going to round down to 250. Oops. So 254 rounds to 250. So I hope you've learned today how to round to the nearest 10. We're going to be pushing out practice to help you with this skill. Just remember that half of 10 is 5. Don't forget we're counting by 10, so we're doing multiples of 10. That'll help you determine what your number is in between, which two tens the number's in between. And also one thing I wanted to mention, if it falls in the middle, like if it falls right in the middle of the number, then it's going to round up. So anything like halfway or above rounds up to the digit that the tens that's the largest, and then if it's less than half, it's going to go round down, just like we did in this number right here. I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions, feel free to message us, and we look forward to sending you some more videos. Have a good week.